I want to show you how easy it is to run a Bitcoin node using Liana. There's lots of ways you can run a Bitcoin node, connect your wallet to it, but none of them is as easy as Liana. Let the wallet itself take care of everything for you. You can see this. This is after I set up a wallet. And I can now connect. I want Liana to automatically install a Bitcoin node on my device. And I can just select this. It will download Bitcoin Core for me. And once it's downloaded, it sets it up and it runs it. So let me just show you how that's done. So download complete, installation complete, and it started. Now next, I'm gonna name this wallet. It started synchronizing with the network. So it will take some time to synchronize the blockchain data, and it's a lot of data. So it may take up to a few days even. But the cool thing is that we just clicked once or twice and it took care of everything for us. Now you have a Bitcoin node, the most secure and private way to use Bitcoin. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next ones.